In this video, we're comparing Pocket Option versus Olymp Trade to see which platform is easier for beginners. Both platforms are popular in the world of binary options trading, but they each have their strengths when it comes to ease of use for newcomers. Starting with Pocket Option, starting with Pocket, okay. Starting with Pocket Option is known for its user-friendly interface and easy setup. Once you create an account, you can easily access the platform and start trading with a simple layout. The charting tools are straightforward and the process of placing a trade is intuitive. The platform also offers a demo account, which is perfect for beginners to practice without any risk. Additionally, Pocket Option has a range of educational resources, making it easier for new traders to learn the ropes. On the other hand, Olymp Trade also caters to beginners, but in a slightly different way. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, but it's not as minimalistic as Pocket Option. Olymp Trade offers a demo account as well, allowing new traders to get comfortable with the platform. The real advantage here is its educational section, which includes webinars, articles, and video tutorials designed to help beginners and understand trading strategies and how the platform works. In terms of simplicity, Pocket Option might have the edge for beginners who are just looking for a no fuss, quick start. The platform's layout is easier to grasp for those who don't want to get overwhelmed by too many features. However, Olymp Trade offers more in depth educational content, which could be more helpful for beginners who are looking to dive deeper into trading strategies and market analysis. Ultimately, if you want a platform that's easy to use with a focus on quick trading, Pocket Option is a solid choice. But if you're looking for more educational resources to build your knowledge from the ground up, Olymp Trade might be the better for you. If this video helped you figure out which platform is easier for you as a beginner, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions if you have any in the comments. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any more helpful trading tips.